This is nonsense, Chairman. We cannot allow a hostile witness to come here.
I'm chairing this. And
you are not chairing. He's the one who is chairing. No. He's telling you what to do.
No.
It is true. You are intimidated by this man.
No.
Just because he's a president, Kenyans needs to know Duale is messing up health.
We are going to.
He's asking where is the vice chair? Are you sitting your place to ask the vice chair?
Out of order.
We will not allow you.
You are out of order. But we will close the hospitals.
I don't own a hospital anywhere. That is the strategy you are trying to use to silence us. You close the hospital. Close them. But stop stealing from SHA. Duale and your friends. I have no interest. You declare your interest. Last year you changed the fee at 12.
Let's take the next
This nonsense you're bringing to this country.
Honorable.
Munaibia watu hapa.
That's fine.
You should not be this. Wewe unaibia watu.
Waziri.
Have a chair.
Proceed.
You cannot be telling a meeting in
Answers. And
you are harassing your chairman. You are harassing members.
Any other member.
Who are you? You think you can intimidate
Chairman,
us?
we will write to the Speaker. This gentleman should not be in this committee.
I will be in this
because of conflict of interest.
I have.